Okay, guys, we're at Immokalee Hotel and Casino, which is in Florida, and it's by the same tribe, Seminole Casino, as Hollywood Hard Rock and Tampa Hard Rock. But this is in the middle of the state, down a little bit south, a very small town. And this is the suite with a connector. So let's see how it looks, how their suites are compared to Hollywood and Tampa. I think this is going to be much smaller, but still going to be nice. So this is the connector room here. Where's the light switch? Should have turned the lights on. So just standard bath and shower here. This is the room. They already put some of their stuff in here. Decor. Okay, you can see the parking lot from here. Get a desk. I don't think, no fridge in here. This is a standard room connected to the suite. So here's the suite. Going back into the suite. To the left. TV. Oh, my kids got their Nintendo and stuff out already. So there's a nice little couch area. Stand back. So nice little seating area. All one big room. There's the bed. TV. Parking lot back out there. And then the bathroom. So a separate toilet. Double mirrors. And nice sized tub. And a step down into the shower. Okay, so that's the suite. Turn around and go back. There's my kid's bag. Don't know why it's in here. The room's the other room. But anyway, that's the suite here at Immokalee. Just big space, nothing fancy or anything, but good enough for a couple of days. We're going to be here until Sunday afternoon. All right, guys. Thanks.